Come on, guys. Oh, now you got Sylvia racing over here. Mama's coming to check. Need a baby. Oh. Sylvia. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I saw him drop. No, he just ran there and he dropped from up top. They went that way. I don't know how they got up there. Oh my god, they're forced. They're eating. They're fighting over it.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's that aggressive.
You need to give them some more. Oh my goodness, they're starving. Oh my goodness. Hi, Mama.
Look at your face. He's got it all over his face.
They are so cute. Here you go, buddy. Hi.
We'll
give all guys are in jail.
Yeah, we'll give all the rest to them.
We'll save some for Dusky.
Alright, well there's just a scoop left for Dusky.
Okay.
Look at Sylvie.
Look at those faces.
Yes, Sylvie, those are some pretty kitties. You're a good mama, Sylvie.
Aww.
Come here, Sylvie.